Good afternoon and happy Sunday to you. Welcome once again to the third week in 2024. And it's once again your host, Beable King. And today I'm going to be reviewing what we did last week and what we're expecting this week. But in accordance to my covenant, I'll be sharing a bit of the word with you. Okay? So today I'm taking my excerpt from Psalms 1 verse 1 to 3. And it said, Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the ungodly, not standeth in the ways of sinners, nor seated amongst the scornful, but he delights in the word of the Lord, and in his law he does meditate day and night, and he shall be like a tree that is planted by the river. He shall bring forth his fruit in his season, his leaf shall not wither, and whatever he does shall prosper. All right, so let's take it simply. This for me stands as a rule, a template, a guide, right? That a man who does not relate with bad people, ungodly people, does not sit down with people that backbite, that look are happy to do evil things, who associates with good people, who understands the law of the Lord, and he meditates on it day and night. He will be like a tree that is planted by the water, and he shall bring forth his fruit in his season. His leaf shall not wither, and whatever he does, he shall prosper. What this simply means is if you want to prosper, if you want to bring out fruit in your season, if you do not want your leaves to wither, when we say leaves are withering, it means that the thing is dying. You just need to do two simple things. Keep the law, meditate on it day and night, and do what? Do not walk in the counsel of people that are not good. All right. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this is a simple rule. This is a simple law, as extracted from the Bible for prosperity. All right. Read the law, meditate on it day and night. Avoid people that are not thinking in that same line, and your ways will be prosperous. Right. If I bring this into Forex, we keep talking about discipline. Oh, the reason why a lot of people are not successful is not because they don't know what to do, but because they are not disciplined to do what they want to do. So let me put this in Forex terms. If you want to be successful and prosper in trading, first, avoid people who are not seeing the good in trading, who are not thinking in line of being successful in trading. Avoid people who talk about other people's trading, talking down to other people, talking down to other systems, talking down on other people's strategy. Avoid them because you can't move forward with them, right? You need to move along with people who are forward thinking when it comes to forex trading, who are forward thinking when it comes to learning. Understand the laws of forex. We've been told from time immemorial, if you want to be successful in forex trading, it's very simple. Buy when the market is about to rise so that once the market rises, you make money. Sell when the market is about to fall so that when the market is falling, you make money. Understand that no system is 100% assured, which simply means that you could also make losses. So um, make room for losses, right? Have a proper risk management in place. You need to have a law that guides you in trading. Know your system, know your risk management system. Then you have to do what is in your law. Meditate on it, apply it day and night. Don't just apply it once, don't apply it twice. Now, we've heard this thing before, and I'm going to touch a bit on it because this is my psychological aspect, right? We've heard this thing before that your success in trading is made by a couple of trades. But I'd like to tell you, if you are meant to take 20 trades and out of the 20 trades, you did not apply it according to your law, it is only one trade that you've taken. The others, you have done the wrong things. So every trade, you need to ensure that you execute it efficiently and effectively in accordance to the law you have created or in accordance to the law you have learned. Let me give you an example. your risk management says, okay, it will be easy for you to catch 1 to 3 hour, right? Risking 1 hour, take 3 hour. Don't risk more than 1%. And because you want to trade, you're taking 10 trades. Out of the 10 trades, you did not follow that simple law. You cannot be prosperous. You say, okay, you're waiting for 1 to 3, gets to 1 to 3, instead of you to take profit, you say, maybe it will rise to 1 to 6. The market comes out and takes you out as stop loss. You have to apply yourself. There are laws to be prosperous in life. There are laws to be successful when it comes to trading. You need to apply yourselves to this law. All right. So think about it before you take any trade. Ensure that you have your rules or your laws when it comes to trading. Ensure that you execute your trades according to your law. So the next trade you're looking at, you must put all attention, all focus on it to execute it as planned. And as long as you keep doing that, by the time you get to your 20th trade, you would see that you would prosper and your fruits will come in its season. Okay? All right. Thank you very much for listening to my short psychological talk. Now, let's go to the chart. As you know, this year I'm only focused on GBPUSD, which is the British pounds American dollars. And I've given you a breakdown from the monthly down to the 4 hours, my overview for the year. If you've not watched it, go and watch my first video. Last week, I also did a bit of summary from weekly to 4 hours, but now I'm just going to focus on daily and move to 4 hours. So last week I did mention that I was expecting the market to push up and then come down because we already had one, this trend line had been broken. Two, we had a very small break below this low, which tells me that this market is most likely going to fall, right? And last week I did mention that because we had a lot of news on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I mentioned that we may see the market range, but eventually we would like to see it fall. So last week we had the market push up, pull down, push up, pushed up a bit, and this is where it closed for Friday. So currently, I'm expecting this market to drop. And if this market drops, what will happen is I'm anticipating that the market may create a new low, right? If it creates a new low below this point, say it comes down here, right? I would expect it to pull back and then we'll ride it down to the origin. Now this is the origin because you can see this was where the market broke out, pulled back, then from here the market pushed up, right? And then it gave us a rising wedge which it has broken out of, created a new low, right? So to take this second trade, right, we would be looking for a tap somewhere here like this, right? So if this plays out, meaning that a new low is created, maybe this week, maybe next week, I don't know when, we would anticipate that the market may pull back up. If the market pulls back up, then from here we will take a long sell to this origin before we look for a bullish move to the upside. Is that okay? All right, so this is what I'm expecting holistically. This may not happen immediately. It may happen for the first quarter of the year. So let's just observe and watch for opportunities. Okay. Now on the 4 hour time frame, this is the 4 hour time frame, right? As you can see on the 4 hour time frame, right? As you can see on the 4 hour time frame, the market created a new low here. Let me remove this, right? The market created a new low, and as you can see, the market was ranging to the upside, and with each push up you can notice that the momentum is slowing down. The momentum is what? Slowing down. So right now what I am personally expecting is I would like to see this market, because this is where the order block is, right? I like to see this market tap into this order block, right? And then from here create a new low. Once it does that, every pullback will be an opportunity to do what? Sell. Okay, so I'll be looking for something like this. Then maybe from here I may now watch the market do what, push upward maybe to somewhere around here before giving that fall that I mentioned on the daily time frame, right? Before giving that fall that I mentioned on the daily time frame. So right now you can see that the momentum here is reducing, so we have a top here, I would like to see what will happen. I would like to see this market come tap into the zone, right? Once it taps into the zone and gives me like an M formation, meaning that the price is no longer interested in going up, gives me a lower low, then I can start confidently taking sales to the downside. Are we together? So this week for me is a week to sell. All right. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can join my Telegram group. This is where I'm going to be stopping my analysis this week. It seems quite short and quite simple, but that's because the hard work has been done in the first two videos that were posted in 2024. So thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure reviewing the market with you. I pray that this week would be a lovely week for you in Jesus' mighty name. Bye bye.